Check out this 2004 Mazda 3. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.